Hi, and welcome back to Stick to Travel podcast, as well as the Canon Travel podcast as well. We are going to give you some ideas for half-term holidays, actually maybe holidays for next year, 2024. My name is Alex, and I'm one of the hosts of the channel. Yes, it's been a while, but listen, thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to the channel. I've always said you don't have to. What's more important to us is that you listen to the information we're giving you. And if you want to comment, you can comment. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But thank you to you who have subscribed to both platforms, I could probably say. And we did a poll actually, and the poll was about, what kind of content do you want us to give you? And what kind of information do you want to see? And would you like to join us on our business travel opportunity? Yes, there is a business travel opportunity where we earn some money, a lot of money, or money, more money you ever seen in your wildest dreams. If you have a regular job like still I do, I am looking to fire my boss very, very soon. But there is an opportunity if you want to join us. The link is in the box below. So if you do want more information, I believe my email address is going across the screen maybe now. Any minute now. Yeah, there it is. So here are some deals that you can still catch now. Mallorca, Hotel Victoria Gran Melia, £414 per person, and this is like November the 9th until the 13th. And there is other deals going across the screen now. Yeah, it probably might take your fancy, but if you have a holiday you're looking to maybe book, whether it's this side of 2024 or maybe 2025, send me an email and we will do our best, our absolute best to find you the best deal possible. If you know somebody who's looking to travel, you can also put them in contact with us. Yes, it is literally as simple as that. We are looking to travel in next year, actually not next year, this year before the year finishes, to Agadir. Yeah, Agadir, for my wife's birthday, and see some friends out there. Next year, my wife will be going to Colombia. I hope to be going back to Costa Rica, although it's not quite booked on, as I'm not sure yet. But definitely, we're going to be cruising. We're going to be cruising next year. Yeah, I don't like boats. But if you're thinking about cruising for 2025 again, or maybe do something for Christmas 2024, again, send me an email or put a comment in the box below. And again, we will get in contact with you and we will do the best to find you the best deal possible for your travels. Now, there was some other information that I wanted to give you about some other travel deals. I think they're going across the screen now. And there are other deals, but I don't want to overload you guys. The best thing that you can do again is just send me an email. Say, Alex, we need some information about a potential family deal or a family cruise or a reunion. Actually, that sounds like a really good idea. A family reunion sounds really good to me. Family reunion, school reunion, church reunion. We deal with the reunions, as well as events as well. Not only like concerts, but even football tickets. If you've got someone who, likes football, I'm not sure why they would like the other club in North London, the one in white. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. So that is that. It's a very short video. I will be doing a video sometime next week with my beautiful wife. We're going to be talking finally about the food that we both enjoyed when we were out in Morocco, Agadir. And actually, I just found out we've got one of our good friends who lives now out in Casablanca. The thing is, between Agadir and Casablanca, there's probably like 7,000 kilometers of road. So let's see if we can do something. Actually, when we do go out in Agadir, it might be that we're probably going to meet up with our friends somewhere midway. But we'll see. I'll keep you abreast of that anyway. But in the meantime, again, send me an email if you have some travel plans or if you know somebody who has some travel plans. we'll do our best to help them out. But until then, this has been Alex on Stick to Travel and Cannon Fodder TV. Cannon Fodder? No, not Cannon Fodder. Cannon Travel. Until then, see you later. Bye-bye.